Welcome back to the channel, Inspired by R&R. My name is Ronya for all of the newbies who just clicked on this video, and to all of our old-time family members, thank you once again for joining us for yet another video. So a couple of days ago, virtually, it was like 5 days ago I think, I posted the video of my medium twist. If you have not watched that video, go ahead and watch that video and then come back. I'll drop a link to it down below. And I wanted to take you guys through a week of how I wear my twists. So this is the final results on the last day that I wore my hair with the twist. It's obviously a twist out, but I show you all of the ways that I style my hair, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So let's just get right on into the video. My hair looks a little bit different than the last video. I promise I did not redo my twist. Sorry, my husband's making a cameo. It actually is the official hurricane season now here in Florida, and there was a lot of humidity in the air, so my hair started to draw up since it was on blown out hair. So I just put moisture back on it, you know, wet it with water with my spray bottle and applied the main choice gel on top. That way it would just be even. So if it looks a little bit more shrunken, that's the only reason why. I wore my hair down for about 4 days before the humidity hit. So this was, you know, day 5, just wearing my hair down, nothing special, went to work. Day 6 is when I got the OGX and I got a little bit of that oil, you know, that dry oil, sprayed it in my hair. I was getting ready to go to work. I grabbed me a few bobby pins. You don't need a whole lot, just, you know, however many you think is necessary. And I just pinned it to the side. And I got me a little bit of edge control. Again, this is not the best edge control, as I've stated in other videos, but this is just what I had on hand. And I just smoothed my edges over. So this will be like the first official style besides just wearing it down. On day 7, I wanted to work out, so I just did a simple ponytail. I got a extra large scrunchie, and that's what I do. I just pull it into a ponytail. I did decide to wear a hat. Let me know if you guys ever watched this show That My Hat Says. It was like one of my favorites growing up as a kid. What's up, everybody? Okay, so I don't know if y'all can see the sky right now. Like, it's looking real suspect right now. But if I sound out of breath, because I just got through running. But check out the fit, y'all. A little fit, you know, a little something. But just wanted to show y'all why I specifically wore a ponytail today. And yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and hurry up because I think I just heard some thunder off in the distance. But let's get back to the video. On day number 8 is when I did my version of the French roll. What I did is I pulled my hair into a ponytail, and then I got some gold bobby pins. Now, you don't have to get gold bobby pins. I just happen to be wearing that same type of color scheme, so I chose to use these. And I pulled my hair up into kind of like you would twist your hair if you were going to put it up in like a banana clip. And then I started pushing the hair underneath. And I used those gold bobby pins to pin them down like that. I pulled out a strand of hair, and I used some of these gold clips that I got at the beauty supply store. These were $2. And I just started clipping them, you know, placing them wherever I thought it looked best. And then I pulled that strand of hair back into the French roll. And this is how the look turned out. On day number 9, I noticed my scalp started to get a little dry, so I added some oil to my scalp. That tends to happen whenever I work out. And then I also added the anti-humidity shine gloss. I applied that to my hair, and today is just going to be a simple bun. I like to start my buns as if I'm doing a pineapple. This is how I also go to sleep. And I do it in a high bun, pull it down to get all of the excess hair into a full bun. And this is a clip of me while I'm at work with my bun. I applied some Eco Styler gel to my edges just to give it a nice sleek look. And that was day number 9 with my high bun. Day number 10, I noticed that my hair started to get really frizzy, so I knew that I did not want to wear my hair down anymore. That's what I'm showing you right now. So I'm doing my version of what's called the milkmaid braids, which I do it as a twist. So these are going to be milkmaid twists. You simply just twist your hair from each side and work your way down to the back, and you pin it with the bobby pin. So that's what I did. I just twisted my hair and I repeated the same process on the other side. And this is like, it takes maybe like 3 minutes to do. It's a quick, easy hairstyle, especially good for when you're going to the office. I slicked down my edges with some, you know, just some edge control that I found, and this is how the look turned out. Simple, easy, professional, definitely one of my favorites to do with my twists. On day number 11, that's when I went ahead and I took my Milkmaid twist out. I did go to sleep like that, but this is how it looks if you leave those twists in with the Milkmaid twist, and it makes it crinkly. It kind of reminds me of like dreads. It's really pretty. You can wear your hair like that, or you can go ahead and do a twist out by taking the twist completely out. That's what I'm showing you. On one side it's out, the other side I have the twist in. And the way that I take my twist out is I just go from the root, and I work my way backwards at the ends until they meet in the middle, and then they just come apart easily. I know some people like to apply oil, but my hair was already oily, so I didn't need to do any. And then I just do a light fluff of my hair, and that's how I do my twist outs. I'm going to insert a clip so you can see how my twist outs looked in a previous twist out. This was me when I was at work a few months ago. The twist out is simple. I mean, it's really flowy, it's really pretty, and all you do is untwist the twist. So going back to present day now, I applied a clip to my hair just to kind of, you know, give it a little razzle dazzle. My clip actually has my zodiac sign on it. I am a Virgo. Shout out to all the Virgos out there. If you are a Virgo, drop a comment down below, and you know, whatever your whatever zodiac sign you are, drop that down below. Let's see if we have all the zodiac signs joining us today. Now this is going to be the final look. This is what I like to call my faux hawk. My faux hawks, what I do is I get some bangs and I bobby pin those, and you'll see why I'm doing like a fake bang in a second. But what I do is I pin my sides together. So it's going to start looking like a mohawk, but it's a faux hawk because it's fake. Like my head isn't shaved this way, but that's why it's called a faux hawk. Get it? Anyway, that's how it looks without applying anything to my edges, like a gel or edge control. But it's really pretty. You can wear it like this. You don't have to, you know, put any gel on your hair, but I did. I used Eco Styler gel, and I just brushed it and smoothed it down. And then I pull my bangs backwards and fluff it out. And that's how I do my faux look, like my faux hawk look. Like, it's simple, it's easy, and it's really pretty, girl.
I hope this video was helpful to you, and if it was, go ahead and show me. Just hit that like button, just hit it, thumbs up, make it turn blue for me, okay? And if you're not a member of the family already, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, peace.